In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps for walking directions. If you're heading somewhere on foot and want a clear, safe route, Google Maps on your computer is a great place to plan it. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to do and what to look for. Start by opening Google Maps on your PC using your favorite web browser. You'll see the familiar map view and a search bar at the top. From here, look for the Directions button. It usually appears as a small arrow icon. Click it to open the Directions panel on the left side of the screen. This panel is where you'll enter where you're starting from and where you want to go. In the first box, type your starting point. This can be a full address, a landmark, or a place name. As you type, Google Maps suggests matches. Choose the one that fits. In the second box, type your destination the same way. If you already searched for a place before opening Directions, Google Maps may autofill one of these fields for you, which is handy. Next, switch the travel mode to walking. At the top of the Directions panel, you'll see icons for different modes of transport. Click the one that shows a person walking. This tells Google Maps to avoid highways and prioritize sidewalks, pedestrian paths, and crosswalks, giving you a route that makes sense on foot. Once walking is selected, your route appears on the map as a solid blue line, along with an estimated time and distance. You might also see alternate routes in gray. Hover over them to preview, and click one if it better suits your needs. Maybe it's a bit longer, but uses streets you prefer. Use the plus and minus controls, or scroll, to zoom in and examine tricky intersections. Street names and landmarks will help you get oriented. On the left, you'll find the step-by-step directions. These list each turn, the street names, and the distance between steps. Read through them before you head out to get a sense of the overall path. You can click any step to highlight that segment on the map, which is useful for understanding exactly where you'll turn. If you notice stairs, unpaved paths, or complex crossings in the preview, consider choosing an alternate route that feels more comfortable. When you're ready, follow the step-by-step directions shown. Keep the tab open so you can glance back as needed and use the map view to anticipate upcoming turns. With these steps, you'll have a clear, pedestrian-friendly route and the confidence to get where you're going safely and efficiently.